Good morning, second graders, and welcome back to math. It is time for lesson 13.7 in our math book. We are on page 649, and our learning target is measure objects and make line plots. Now, this is an activity that we would do in the classroom if we were all together, but we're not in the classroom, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this and get right into the lesson here. So, think and grow. Measurement of crayon lengths. And they said that one crayon, the first crayon is 8. So they put an X right here. The second one is 7 inches. The third crayon they measured is 5 inches. The fourth one is 8 inches. And right, so we have the second X. And then the fifth one is 9 inches. What is the length of the longest crayon? So we look at the longest one right there. 9 inches is the longest one. How much longer is the longest crayon than the shortest? And to get the shortest, we look at the other length. That's down here, 5. So if I have 9 inches is the longest and 5 inches is the shortest, to find the difference, right? How much longer? Then I do a subtraction problem. 9 minus 5 equals, and that answer is 4. All right. Now this, boys and girls, it says this is something, again, that we would do in the classroom. I'm just going to do it right here on the computer. And we will say that we're measuring pencils. So my first pencil, if you look right there, it is 4 inches long, right? I put this at the end of the pencil and I measure right there to the 4. So first pencil, number 1, is 4 inches long. Here is my next pencil. So my next one, I go from the end all the way up here and I measure to the 7. So pencil number 2 is 7 inches long. Pencil number 3 is a different kind of pencil, right? I have some colored pencils and some regular pencils there. It goes right to approximately the 7. So how many inches is that? 7. And pencil number 4. It asked me to do 4. So I get my mechanical pencil and I go from this end to this end, and it is approximately 6 inches long. So that is my measurement. And here we go. We need to put these points on my pencil, on my inches chart. But I need to write down where these inches are. So I need to start with at least a number that is 4, and I have to go up to at least 7. So let's just go in order. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. So my first pencil, where was it? It was at an X at 4. My pencil number 2, there's my X for the 7. Pencil number 3 was also 7. And pencil number 4 was 6. Now, remember what I said. We do not need to find one that's 5 inches or 8 inches or 9 inches. It's only getting information about the ones we really have. So I have 1 at 4 inches, 1 at 6 inches, and 2 at 7 inches. What is the length of the longest pencil? The length of the longest pencil is 7 inches. How much longer is the longest pencil than the shortest pencil? Well, to look at the shortest, I look here. And on my chart, the shortest pencil is 4 inches long. So I do my math problem, 7 minus 4. To find the difference, it's a subtraction problem. 7 minus 4, I know that is 3 inches. And then we're done with that problem. So let's go over to the next one. Measure the lengths of 8 shoes. Now, boys and girls, it would take me a long time to measure a bunch of shoes here, so I just went ahead and measured some. I'll write in the answers right here. Shoe number 1 was 5 inches long. Shoe number 2 was 6 inches long. Shoe number 3 was 7. Then 8. Shoe number 5 was 5 inches. Shoe number 6 was 9 inches. Shoe number 7 was 5 inches. And shoe number 8 was 7 inches. Now again, we need to put these numbers in here. I don't need to start at 0. I don't need to go all the way to 100. I need to put enough numbers so that all of these pieces of information fit. My smallest number can be 5. My largest number has to be 9 or higher. And so I can count and say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there will be one higher. Okay, so let's do that. This is my 5 inches. This is my set of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's go down the list and put in our information. 5, there's 1. Shoe number 2, 6. There's 1 for the 6. Shoe number 3, 7. Oh, there we go. 7. Shoe number 4 is 8. Oh, there's 1 each so far. Oh, and now shoe number 5 is 5 inches again. Shoe number 6, all the way up here to 9. Shoe number 7 is 5 again. And shoe number 8 is another one for 7. What is the length of the longest shoe? The longest shoe in our chart, it's not the number of inches that I put down as the highest number. It's the longest shoe, the last one or the highest number that I really measured. So that is 9 inches. What is the length of the shortest shoe? Well, all of these short shoes match. They are 5 inches long. How much shorter is the shortest shoe than the longest shoe? Again, all I have to do is take this and do a subtraction problem, right? 9 minus 5 equals, the answer is 4. 4 inches. You measure 5 more shoes, and they are each 6 inches long. How does the plot or the line plot change? So if I do this and add 5 more shoes, and they are all 6 inches long, why, my line plot would show that there are more 6-inch shoes than 5-inch shoes. So if I have 5 more 6-inch shoes, then it would change. It would say, then there would be more 6-inch shoes than 5-inch shoes. Right now, the shoe that is the most common is 5 inches. But if there were 5 more 6-inch shoes, why, then that would be the most common. All right. Excellent. Let me look at my time. We're doing okay. A fire station is building a new garage for emergency vehicles. Complete the sentence. and then explain. Emergency vehicle lengths. So they have this many emergency vehicles. They said they went and measured all of them, and they said there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 emergency vehicles. 5 of them are 7 meters long. 4 of them are 10 meters long. And 1 emergency vehicle is 15 meters long. That's a very long vehicle. And it says, how long should the garage should be more than blank meters long. Should it be more than 7 meters long if I want to put all of my vehicles away? Well, if it was only more than 7, then it might not be big enough to fit my 10s, and it definitely would not be big enough to fit my 15-meter long vehicles. So I need to have a vehicle that can fit not only my 7 meters long, but also the 10-meter long vehicles. I need one that is more than 15 meters long. And then why? The garage should fit the longest vehicle. I'll put that over here. Vehicle. Right? If it doesn't fit this one, then it would have to be outside, and that is not what a garage is for. All right, let's take a look at this next one and see if we can figure this out. You want to put some school supplies in a pencil box. Complete the sentence and then explain. School supply lengths. So one thing that you are putting away is 10 centimeters long. Another 3 things are 13 centimeters long. 2 of them are 15 centimeters long. One of them is 18 centimeters long. And 2 things are 20 centimeters long. The pencil box should be more than what? Well, let's think about this. If I have a pencil box that is long enough for my 10 centimeter long items, but not long enough for all of these, then I have something that's not going to fit everything I have. I need to find something that is at least 20 centimeters long. Then everything will fit inside. If it is 20 centimeters long, then anything that's 18 centimeters will also fit, and 15 centimeters will fit, 13 centimeters will fit, 10 centimeters will fit. The box should be long enough for the longest items. Right? There are 2 that are 20 centimeters long. If I got a box that was only 18 centimeters long, let me draw a picture. If I have a box that was only 18 centimeters long, and I tried to put my 20 centimeter things inside, they would stick out 2 extra centimeters. And that's not what the box is for. So I want my box to be 20 centimeters long to fit everything. All right, ladies and gentlemen, do the next 2 pages, and I hope you have a fantastic day.